Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to shorten the strap of this wristwatch. I'm going to remove two part on this side and another two part on this side. Okay, so first I'm going to remove this shaft that holds this end part by using this tool specially designed to remove uh, watch straps. Just push it down. Okay, then turn it counterclockwise and pull this out. Just don't lose it because we're going to use it later. Okay, we have removed it. I'm going to remove two parts, so I'm going to use this tool again. You just need to center it and make sure they are both aligned. You may struggle along the way, but that's fine. That's part of the process. Okay. This is, let's pull it out. Okay, we have removed two parts. Now I'm going to install it back. You need to go on the other side. And then push this inside. You may need to hammer it down. Okay, it's already in. Now let's go on the other side. Let's remove this part. Okay, there's the first pin. We're going to remove two. Okay, we're going to turn it the other way around. This pin has a white cross line, and I don't know if you can see it. That is should be the one that's on the other end. Okay, let's just push it, and to lock it we may need to hammer it down a little bit, and that's it. We have removed two pieces of the 4 parts of the wristwatch strap. So I hope you like the idea, and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. By the way, if you want to buy this, I am going to put this on the comment section down below. So thank you for watching, and see you on our next video.